Hi everyone. Today I want to share my complete internship experience at Cognizant, right from the day one till the day final completion. So my internship was a virtual one and it lasted for about 3 months. Normally, this internship can go anywhere between 3 to 6 months, depending on situation. For me, it got wrapped up in 3 months, but sometimes it might extend to 4 or 5 months as well. So now, let me break it down phase by phase. The phase one related for completely about the induction. So the first week was all about induction. They explained everything about the company, the process, and also introduced us to our point of contact who would guide us through the internship. Basically, it was just getting familiar with how things are going to work. So in the phase two, it will be related to the tech stack allocation. So in the second week, we are all assigned to a different tech stacks. For me, I was selected for Java full stack with Angular. Some people got React, some people got Python, some were trained in cloud technologies. The allocation is completely random, nobody can choose. After that, we were assigned individual trainers. The trainer would take sessions every day, and the trainer was divided into multiple modules. In the phase 3, since I was in the Java full stack, our trainer started with the front end part, like related to HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, and Core Java. Every week we had assessments, and it was mandatory to score at least 70% and up. We were given 2 attempts maximum for each attempt. Once around 30 to 40% of training was completed, we had something called qualifier assessment. This was super important because if we didn't clear it with 70% or above, we would be disqualified from the internship itself. In the phase 4, it is interim evaluation. After the qualifier, we had an interim evaluation, which was basically an interview. Here, the result was given in 3 categories: red, amber, or green. Red means poor performance and can even lead to elimination. Amber is like average, maybe 5 or 6 out of 10. Green means you are good to go. In interim, getting amber or green is fine, but red is strict no. In phase 5, project work. Once the interim was done, our trainer divided us into teams, and each team had to work on a project using the assigned tech stack. Since I was in the Java full stack, we built a full stack application, backend using Spring Boot and frontend using Angular. Every team member had to contribute to some module, and the project had to be pushed to GitHub. And in the phase 6, final evaluation. Finally, we had the final evaluation. This was the most important step because without clearing this, we wouldn't get a full time offer. The rule was you must get green in the final evaluation. If you get amber the first time, you will get one more attempt. But at least in one attempt, you must score green. If you only get amber in both attempts, it will be treated as unsuccessful completion. Luckily, if you clear it with green, you are good to go and will receive the full time offer later. I want to mention some more extra points where since my internship was virtual, everything was online. We had to log in daily from 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. at almost 10 hours a day. The platform used to track our hours, activities, quizzes, hands-on tasks, and assessments. Maintaining 85% attendance and scoring above 70% in all assessments was mandatory. Some people also got an offline internship where they went to the Cognizant office. For them, platform tracking wasn't as strict as us since they were already on site. So yeah, that was my complete journey of the Cognizant virtual internship. Right now, I have successfully completed it, and I'm just waiting for the date of join and location for the full-time role. It was definitely a challenging but really valuable experience for me. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this video helps you.